Hello guys, you're welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love Nkechi celebrates Jay's birthday with engineering-inspired cake made by a fan. Jay and Nkechi, nicknamed Jkech, are lovers from the just concluded Ultimate Love reality TV show Season 1. Ultimate Love reality TV show star Jonathan Benson celebrated his 30th birthday on Friday, April 17, 2020, which was filled with countless birthday wishes and prayers from friends, fans, and colleagues. His partner, Nkechi, also made out time to celebrate her love partner in a lavishing style. Jay and Nkechi both took to their social media accounts to appreciate their fans who showed them love by acquiring and decorating 3 lovely cakes for Jay's special day. Jkech identified the baker as @BakerIsland_cakes and thanked her especially for the civil engineering themed birthday cake. Nkechi wrote, "Dear @BakerIsland, as a Jkech fan, you took your finance, time and effort to make out 3 lovely cakes and sent to official Jay Benson on his special day. The civil engineering theme cake is his favorite because he has passion for his job and it melted him at sight." Okay guys, send your birthday wishes to Jay and may God replenish and boost the brand of the lovely fan that decorated the cake for him. Okay guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.